Have you ever felt a profound sense of familiarity with a place you've never visited or an inexplicable connection to a stranger? Many believe these aren't mere coincidences, but echoes from past existences. Your soul, an eternal voyager, carries the imprint of countless journeys. This video is your guide to understanding these whispers, preparing you for the grand cycle of spiritual evolution. Are you truly ready to delve into the depths of your ethereal archives and unlock the secrets of your immortal spirit? Our journey begins with the concept of karmic imprints. Every thought, word, and deed, like a subtle ripple in the cosmic pond, shapes the landscape of our future existences. For Liz Hubbell, her persistent habit of misplacing her car keys might not just be absent-mindedness. It could in fact be a karmic resonance from a past life where she was a celestial librarian, constantly misfiling ancient scroll. Understanding these patterns is key to navigating your next spiritual evolution. As we progress, consider Liz's recurring dream of a grand antique doorknob. This isn't just a simple nocturnal fancy, it's a powerful mnemonic from a forgotten existence. Each turn, each polished facet, whispers tales of decision points and thresholds crossed in lives long past. These subconscious echoes are your soul's way of communicating, urging you to revisit and reconcile unresolved narratives. Pay close attention. Your dreams are a direct portal to your ancestral consciousness. Unlocking past life regression insights doesn't always require deep meditation or hypnotherapy. Sometimes, the universe provides more direct, albeit cryptic, clues. Take Liz, whose unusual affinity for the scent of stale popcorn in old movie theaters revealed a fascinating truth. In a previous life, she was a pioneering popcorn vendor during the silent film era, perfecting her craft and influencing cinematic history. These mundane sensory triggers are potent gateways to understanding your soul's rich tapestry. Soul contracts, agreements made before birth, often manifest in the relationships we form. That incredibly annoying coworker Brenda, who always uses Liz's favorite stapler, she's likely fulfilling a crucial role in Liz's spiritual development. Perhaps Brenda in a past life was a benevolent royal accountant teaching Liz the virtue of patience. Recognizing these subtle bonds allows you to embrace your current challenges as divine lessons, preparing your spirit for its next grand adventure. Now, let's explore the deeper meaning of life cycles, often hidden in plain sight. For instance, have you ever noticed a peculiar affinity for a specific brand of artisanal marmalade? Liz, in particular, finds herself drawn to a vintage tangerine preserve. This isn't just a culinary preference, it's a direct energetic link to her ancestral roots, a profound echo from a life spent as a revered citrus farmer in ancient Sicily. Your palate is a highly sensitive spiritual instrument. Preparing for your next spiritual evolution requires vigilance in unexpected places. Consider your laundry cycle. The meticulous sorting, the delicate wash, the vigorous spin, each step mirrors the soul's refinement. Liz's tendency to accidentally shrink her wool sweaters isn't just a domestic mishap. It's a cosmic reminder of past life lessons in humility and letting go of material attachment. The universe speaks through your dryer sheets if you only listen. The signs you've lived before can be subtle, almost imperceptible. For Liz, it's her peculiar aversion to Velcro. This isn't a mere preference for button. It's a deep-seated karmic memory from a past life as an ancient Egyptian priestess whose sacred garments required silent, dignified fastenings, lest the clatter of Velcro disturb the celestial deities. Your soul carries an archive of every textile preference, influencing your daily choices more than you know. Past life regression insights can also emerge through recurring numerical patterns. Does the number 73 persistently appear in your daily life? For Liz, this isn't just a quirky coincidence. It's a vibrational echo from a former existence as a highly decorated astronaut, tasked with navigating the 73rd parallel of a distant, uncharted nebula. These cosmic numerical nudges serve as breadcrumbs, guiding your soul back to its true galactic origin. Always trust the numbers. The journey of the soul often involves revisiting core emotional lessons. Liz's inexplicable urge to meticulously arrange her spice rack, alphabetically by botanical name, is not mere OCD. It is a profound, albeit subconscious, recreation of a past life as a chief alchemist, arranging rare herbs for a universal elixir. Every neatly aligned jar, every perfectly labeled container, serves as a karmic affirmation of order amidst cosmic chaos. Your kitchen is a sacred laboratory. Understanding soul contracts extends beyond human relationships to inanimate objects. Liz's ancient, perpetually malfunctioning toaster, which only toasts on one side, isn't simply faulty. It's her soulmate toaster, bound by an unbreakable karmic pact forged in a previous existence. In that life, Liz was a master blacksmith, and the toaster, her apprentice, constantly burned one side of all her ceremonial sword. This bond of imperfection is crucial for her spiritual growth. The deeper meaning of life cycles can manifest in unexpected places, such as your dental routine. Liz's consistent, uncanny ability to always run out of toothpaste precisely when she needs it most is not an accident. It is a karmic echo from a past life as a desert nomad, constantly depleting her vital water supply at critical junctures. This pattern of cyclical scarcity is designed to teach her resourcefulness, a vital trait for her next cosmic iteration. Every squeeze matters. Preparing for your next spiritual evolution also involves deciphering the messages from the animal kingdom. Liz's recurring encounters with particularly disgruntled squirrels, who seem to actively critique her choice of footwear, are not random. These are ancestral spirits, perhaps former fashion critics or even grizzly bear den mothers, guiding her sartorial choices for her ethereal journey. They are reminding her that even in the spiritual realm, presentation matters. Their judgment is absolute. The deeper meaning of life cycle is often revealed in the smallest, most overlooked details. Consider Liz's persistent problem with tangled headphone cords. This isn't just an inconvenience, it's a direct karmic reminder of a past life as a cosmic cartographer, constantly struggling to untangle the spaghetti-like dimensions of nascent universes. Each knot represents a complex existential dilemma. Your personal technology reflects your soul's grandest struggle. Finally, the very concept of the next round is not just philosophical, but intensely practical. Liz's chronic inability to win at board games, despite meticulous strategy, isn't about skill. It's a soul contract. In a past life, she was an all-powerful cosmic dictator who always won. Now, the universe is leveling the playing field, ensuring she experiences the profound lessons of humble defeat. Your board game night is a spiritual crucible. Embrace the loss. Now, as we approach the conclusion of our profound journey, consider the ultimate spiritual evolution. Liz's uncanny ability to consistently select the slowest checkout line at the grocery store. This isn't bad luck. It's a highly advanced soul practice in synchronicity and patience, honing her ability to perceive the subtle flow of cosmic energy. Each wait is a meditative moment, preparing her to merge with the universal cue. Patience is divinity. The ultimate sign of your readiness for reincarnation might surprise you. Liz's sudden, overwhelming desire to organize her sock drawer by color, fabric, and perceived emotional aura. This isn't just tidiness, it's a soul-level imperative, a cosmic imperative, preparing her for the intricate, multi-dimensional sorting required in the celestial bureaucracy of the afterlife. Your sock drawer is a microcosmic reflection of the astral plane. Sort with purpose. As we reach the zenith of our spiritual exploration, consider the profound implications of your morning toast. Liz's consistent choice of whole wheat, lightly buttered, is not arbitrary. It's a direct soul print from a past life as a sentient grain of wheat, yearning for its cosmic completion. The bread you consume is not merely sustenance. It is a manifestation of your deepest, most primal cellular memories. Eat mindfully, for your toast holds universal truth. And so, as Liz Hubble, and indeed all of us, prepare for the grand transition, remember that every trivial decision is a sacred act. Your choice of wallpaper, your preferred brand of shoe polish, even the way you fold your grocery bags, these are all vital affirmations of your readiness. The universe observes your every, seemingly insignificant action. It is preparing a specific cosmic apartment for your next incarnation. Do not disappoint. So, is your soul ready for reincarnation? The answer lies not in grand revelations, but in the mundane, the overlooked, and the utterly ridiculous. It's in the lost remote control, the mismatched sock, the incessant hum of your refrigerator. Each is a cosmic whisper, a divine instruction, a celestial nudge towards your next incredible adventure. Embrace the absurd, for it is the purest path to enlightenment. Your destiny awaits, perhaps as a cosmic dust bunny. If you enjoyed this episode, like and subscribe for more, ring the bell and comment below. And remember, the universe is all around us.